Welcome to AmpleBlaze's video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we're going to show you how you can check the details and activities within Google Drive, and you can see when something's been created, who it's been shared with, and the dates and timestamps, and if files have been moved, etc. So I'm just going to quickly show you now. This is my Google Drive. Now I'm going to just go into one of these folders. Let's just go A&A Wedding. So if you click on it, you see this little highlight blue text, and then on the right hand side you will see the details. Now if you don't see this pane, you've just got to click the eye and it disappears, and you click it again and it comes back. So you've got details on the right hand side. It will tell you if it's shared, so this one's not shared. Type Google Drive folder, my drive, and the owner, when it's been modified, when it's been opened, etc. Okay, and created date down the bottom there. Now the other thing that you can do here is click on activity. Okay, now this gives you basically a play-by-play of what has happened with this folder in your drive. So you can see that on the 5th of June I uploaded 65 items, and it's listed a few of them. You can click show all and it'll list all of them. You can see again on the 5th of June I uploaded one picture there, 5th of June uploaded another, and so forth. So this will also show you that you've created folders, okay, and that you've also given permission. You can also set permissions, and you can see that I've shared some permissions there. So and below, so it gives you the timestamp and with who and what you've done. So if at any stage you've got any colleagues that are in there and things get shared out that you're not aware of, this is where you go to check. So if you have any questions, just get in contact with AmpleBlaze and we will assist you with this. But that's basically the video. Thank you for watching.